Imagine a country that seems to operate on an entirely different level when it comes to construction, infrastructure, and long-term planning. A place where entire cities rise from empty land in just a few years, where highways stretch across vast landscapes, connecting regions that were once separated by geography and time, and where innovation isn't just a goal, it's a national strategy. That country is China. Over the past few decades, China has undergone one of the fastest and most extensive transformations in modern history. What was once a largely rural and developing nation has turned into a global powerhouse of industry, infrastructure, and technology. And what makes it even more remarkable is not just what is being built, but how fast it's happening. To understand the scale of China's development, you need to step back and look at the pace. In many parts of the world, large infrastructure projects take decades. Planning alone can take years. Environmental studies, political debates, funding issues, everything slows things down. In China, the process is fundamentally different. Once a project is approved, construction often moves immediately and at massive scale. Entire teams of engineers, workers, and planners are mobilized simultaneously. What might be a long-term vision elsewhere becomes an active construction site almost overnight. This speed of execution has allowed China to transform its landscape at a rate that is almost unmatched in modern history. One of the clearest signs of this transformation is infrastructure. China has built some of the longest bridge systems in the world, connecting cities, islands, and regions that were once separated by natural barriers. These bridges are not just engineering achievements, they are economic lifelines. Then, there is the high-speed rail network. China now has the largest high-speed rail system in the world, spanning tens of thousands of kilometers. These trains can travel at speeds that drastically reduce travel time between major cities. Journeys that once took an entire day can now be completed in just a few hours. This has changed how people live, work, and move across the country. Entire regions have become more interconnected, allowing for faster economic growth and urban expansion. Another major aspect of China's transformation is urban development. Instead of only expanding existing cities, China has also built entirely new urban areas from scratch. These are often referred to as new cities or planned cities. These cities are designed before they are built. Urban planners decide where residential areas, business districts, transportation hubs, and industrial zones will go, long before construction begins. The result is cities that can house millions of people, often equipped with modern infrastructure from day one. These urban environments frequently include wide road systems, integrated public transport, green spaces, and smart city technology designed to manage energy use, traffic flow, and public services efficiently. In many cases, these cities are built not just for today's population, but for future growth that hasn't even happened yet. Technology and smart infrastructure. China's development is not just physical, it's also technological. Across many cities, smart systems are being integrated into daily life. Traffic systems can adjust dynamically based on congestion. Surveillance and monitoring systems help manage public safety and urban planning. Digital infrastructure supports everything from payments to transportation access. Even new buildings are often designed with efficiency and technology in mind, incorporating energy-saving systems, automation, and advanced construction materials. The idea is not just to build bigger, but to build smarter. Another striking feature of China's growth is its aviation and logistics infrastructure. New airports have been built with futuristic designs and massive capacity, capable of handling tens of millions of passengers annually. These airports are often connected directly to high-speed rail systems, making long-distance travel faster and more efficient. On the logistics side, China has developed some of the most advanced shipping ports and distribution networks in the world. This allows goods to move quickly, not just within the country, but across the globe. As a result, China has become a central hub in global trade. perhaps the most defining characteristic of China's development is speed. While many countries move cautiously through long approval processes and phased construction, China often operates with a long-term national strategy that prioritizes execution. This doesn't mean there are no challenges, but it does mean that once a decision is made, progress tends to happen rapidly and at scale. That speed creates a compounding effect. Infrastructure enables economic growth, which funds more infrastructure, which accelerates development even further. China's development is not limited to its own borders. Through international initiatives and investment projects, China has been involved in building infrastructure in other countries as well, such as railways, ports, and highways. This expands its economic reach and strengthens trade relationships across Asia, Africa, and beyond. As a result, China's influence is not only regional, but increasingly global. Of course, this level of rapid development does not come without challenges. Large-scale urbanization can create pressure on resources, environmental concerns, and regional imbalances. Rapid construction can also lead to questions about long-term sustainability and planning quality. These are complex issues that continue to evolve alongside China's growth. When you step back and look at the full picture, what emerges is a country that has made infrastructure and development a central part of its identity. China is not just building cities, roads, and railways. It is building systems that connect people, industries, and regions at an unprecedented scale. And it is doing so with a long-term vision that spans decades into the future. So when we look at China today, the question is not simply what it is building. The deeper question is what this level of development means for the rest of the world. Because as China continues to expand, innovate, and build at incredible speed, it is reshaping global expectations of what is possible. And in many ways, we are only seeing the beginning of that transformation.
But there's another layer to China's transformation that often gets less attention. Robots. Not the kind you see in science fiction, but real industrial systems already shaping how things are built, moved, and produced. Across China, factories are becoming increasingly automated. Robotic arms assemble products with extreme precision, working around the clock without breaks. Entire production lines are now run with minimal human intervention. This doesn't just increase speed, it changes the entire structure of manufacturing. In some of the most advanced facilities, artificial intelligence is used to monitor and optimize production in real time. Machines can detect errors instantly. Systems can adjust workflows automatically. And data is constantly analyzed to improve efficiency. These are often referred to as smart factories, and they represent a shift from labor-intensive production to technology-driven manufacturing. Even construction itself is beginning to change. China is experimenting with robots that can assist in building skyscrapers, laying bricks, and even 3D printing structures. Some systems can assemble parts of buildings with incredible speed and consistency. This could eventually reduce construction time even further and lower costs. Imagine entire buildings assembled with minimal human labor. That future is closer than it seems. Then there are drones. In some regions, drones are already being used to deliver packages, inspect infrastructure, and monitor large construction projects. They can reach areas that are difficult or dangerous for humans. And they can do it faster. Combined with advanced logistics networks, this creates a highly efficient delivery ecosystem. One where goods can move from factory to consumer with minimal delay. But all of this development requires energy. A lot of it. China is investing heavily in energy infrastructure, not just traditional sources, but also renewable energy. Massive solar farms stretch across deserts. Wind turbines line coastlines and remote regions. Hydropower projects generate electricity on a huge scale. The goal is to support growth while also addressing environmental concerns. But balancing these two priorities remains a major challenge. Another key area is transportation, specifically electric vehicles.
China is one of the largest markets for electric cars in the world. Entire cities are transitioning to electric buses, taxis, and private vehicles. At the same time, China is leading in battery production. This is critical, because batteries are not just for cars, they are essential for storing energy, powering devices, and supporting renewable systems. China's ambitions don't stop on Earth. It is also investing heavily in space technology. From launching satellites to building its own space station, China is positioning itself as a major player in space exploration. Satellites support communication, navigation, and global connectivity. They are an invisible but essential part of modern infrastructure. And controlling that layer adds another dimension of influence. Back on the ground, daily life is also changing rapidly. In many Chinese cities, cash is becoming almost obsolete. Mobile payments are used for everything, from buying food to paying for transportation. This creates a seamless, fast-paced economic environment. But it also means that digital systems are deeply integrated into everyday life. With this level of digital integration comes another reality: data. Large-scale data collection allows systems to function more efficiently. Traffic can be optimized. Services can be personalized. Cities can be managed more effectively. But it also raises serious questions about privacy and control. To support all of this, China is also investing in education. Universities and research institutions are expanding. More students are being trained in engineering, technology, and science. Because none of this development happens without people. Highly skilled people. All of these elements, AI, robotics, infrastructure, energy, are part of a much larger race. A race for technological leadership. Countries around the world are competing to develop the most advanced systems, the most efficient economies, and the strongest innovation ecosystems. China is one of the key players in that race, and it's moving fast. But in the middle of all this progress, one question remains: what does this mean for people? As automation increases, traditional jobs may change or disappear. As cities become smarter, daily life becomes more structured. As systems become more powerful, individuals may have less control. These are not just technical questions. They are human questions. What makes this moment unique is that the future is no longer something distant. It's being built right now, in real time, across cities, factories, and networks. China is not just imagining what comes next. It is actively constructing it, piece by piece, system by system. And whether that future becomes a model for the world or a path that others choose to challenge, one thing is certain: the scale, speed, and ambition of what's happening cannot be ignored. Because this is not just about growth. It's about direction. And the direction being set today will shape the world of tomorrow.